In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my new pickup box camper. It's a 1969 Williams Craft camper I just picked up. I'm going to be cleaning it out and plugging it in to see if everything works in here. Give you a little tour here. In my last video, I went through all the drawers and everything, and there's a lot of stuff in here. Mr. Jackal up there. I'm gonna have to definitely leave him in here when I'm done. But let's get started. This will be, let me just show you some of the stuff in here. Pots and pans. There's all kinds of silverware, cups, all kinds of crap in here. Even the little TV. I'm interested to see if that works. So we'll get started. Okay, let's get started here. Tonka, Iowa. Have you ever heard of that town? Let me know. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it looks like a fancy clock here. Oh, there's the fuse box for the truck up there. Toothpicks, some pepper shakers, Breeze, Coffee Mate. See what's in this drawer. Budweiser cups. Burt, Iowa, if you ever heard of that. Bunch plates. Okay, let's get into the other drawer here. Coffee cups. King Goat. Okay, not sure how this TV is wired in here. Maybe I'll just leave it in here until I turn the power on. And yeah, I'm not sure how that's wired. Maybe I'll wait till I get the power hooked up before I take that out of there, see if it works. Okay, get under this sink here. Another coffee mug. Got some soap. Some canola oil. Bunch of pans there. Looks like a lid. Looks like a strainer pan. A little brush. Scuff pad. What that goes to. Okay. Pull this mattress out. Hopefully nothing jumps out at me. Okay, let me get this out and show you the bond wire. Okay, there's underneath there, and actually looks pretty solid. You can get an umbrella here. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's for that other. I think that was under the sink, this thing. I'll have to try that out for popcorn. Trail riding in Iowa. Ooh, got factory owner's manual for my radio there. To check that out. Okay, the other side of the camper here. I don't know what that is. Oh, going Iowa. Let me know if you've heard of that town. Bug spray, fly swatter, another from Titonka, Iowa. Great. Cup holder. Take you down, Mr. Jackalope. Just behave, okay. Toilet paper, that's always a good thing to have. More pot holders. Bring the fly swatter out. Got the weather vane. Broom, more bug spray. Weather vane, I'm not sure if that goes on the truck or not, but it does fit on the back. Some extra containers and one sock. Okay, that's it. What's in the camper here? Well, here's all my treasures from the truck. Took the bed out, the cushions, the raincoat, plastic bags. I'm going to Iowa. The oldest thing I could find in here is this bug spray. I don't know if you can find it here. 1983, so that's 40-year-old bug spray. Well, probably still works. Now we got Titonka, Iowa. Looks like Eagle Grove, Iowa. Bunch of other stuff. Bright, Iowa. It's sort of interesting all the stuff the guy left in there. I don't know how much I'll reuse. Some of the metal silverware and stuff I might just keep with the camper. Gave away a lot of free stuff in Titonka. Only some of these knives are labeled. Van Hove Brothers. Titonka, Iowa number 2 and 928 number. Geez, 1979. I take that back. That's the oldest thing in here. Well. Weather bin. Let's go inside here quick. Well, here's the inside cleaned out. I think I'm just going to paint everything white to start out with. And maybe, I'm not sure what color. Do I go black like the outside of the camper, or do I go like a dark or light blue? And curtains will have to match the paint, so decision. So if you want to leave in the comments what you think I should do, or if you have any ideas or links to other videos what they did with these old campers, I'd appreciate it. But that's where we're at right now. The cushions, I forgot to look in here. It's like maybe just a tire iron some rope. Well, that's our blank slate. That's where we're going to start at, and In the next video, I'm going to plug it in. This video went a little too long, so I'll probably split this into 2 videos. So next video, we'll plug it in, see if the TV works. I'm not sure if I have propane or not in the containers. There's 2 tanks, so we'll see if that works. See if the fridge works, and see if the stove works. As for the water, it's missing the tank. It was the previous owner said it leaked, so he took it out of there. So I'm gonna have to. There's the water pump. There's some wires. I think there was batteries in here before too. So, whoops. And there's the water heater. But I was looking. I don't know if that's hooked up or not. It looked like. So we'll have to explore that next time here. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.